A free cash bonus round that doesn't trigger should be checked against the exact offer requirements first, because the bonus may depend on a specific qualifying action rather than simply opening the promotion. By the end, you'll know how to verify the bonus requirements, check whether your qualifying activity was recorded, refresh the promotion safely, and document the problem if the bonus still doesn't trigger. Start by opening the exact free cash promotion or offer connected to the bonus round. Read the requirements from the offer page instead of relying on a notification, banner, or previous description. Check what action is supposed to trigger the bonus. Look for requirements involving a particular offer, game, milestone, purchase, or other qualifying activity. If the required action hasn't been recorded, the bonus may not activate. Next, open your Freecash activity or transaction history. Find the action you completed and check whether it appears there. If the activity is recorded but the bonus hasn't appeared, you have a clearer reason to investigate the bonus separately. If the activity isn't showing at all, don't repeat the same task immediately. First, check whether the offer is still active and whether its tracking requirements were followed. Refresh the Freecash page and reopen the bonus promotion. If you're using the mobile app, completely close it and reopen it. If you're using a browser, reload the page and sign in again if necessary. For game-based offers, keep the required game installed while troubleshooting. Avoid uninstalling the game, switching accounts, or creating another Freecash account, because those changes can interfere with the original tracking setup. Also, check whether the promotion has additional conditions. A bonus round may require a qualifying action before it becomes available, so simply seeing the promotion doesn't necessarily mean the bonus should already be active. If the qualifying activity is recorded and the bonus still hasn't triggered, take screenshots. Capture the promotion requirements, your completed activity, and the current bonus status. These screenshots are useful if you need to contact Freecash support because they show the exact offer and account activity connected to the problem. If the bonus isn't triggering because the qualifying activity is missing, focus on the tracking issue first. If the activity is recorded but the bonus itself is missing, report the bonus issue with the relevant screenshots. The main thing to avoid is repeating completed actions without checking your history. Confirm the requirement, confirm the activity, then troubleshoot the bonus. Your next step is to open the original Freecash promotion and compare its requirements with the activity already recorded on your account. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Freecash fixes, bonus troubleshooting, and offer guides.